Here's the combination guillotine pre-gouger I promised a while back, and it came in just in time for IDRS Tampa, which I will be at, and if you're there you should say hello. This is a really well-made machine. It's hardened steel. The guillotine blade shell is all one piece. The blade is very, very sharp. This is a long handle with a little rubber knob at the end to help protect your fingers when you're splitting cane. Now these I may have talked about these previously, but these I had made for the double radius machine, and they're brass, so they're a little soft with a steel bearing on them. And I just use them. It's a level surface to check the cane, the levelness of the cane, and you hold it in the light, and then you can see where the cane is flat. You want the flattest part of the cane. And then this is movable, as you can see this bolt here, and there's a little area for it to slide on. The plate is a combination plate, so I can use it also as a base plate for the second generation gouger, which will be out this fall. So I've already pre-measured, and it's very simple. I mean, I know I say that a lot, but it cuts really well. And that's a pretty substantial piece of cane. Let me try another one. And that looks flat in there, but I don't really like the curve. It's not a very good curve. So I'm going to go with this side. It's a very wide piece. You know, it's effortless to cut. I mean, there's really not a lot involved. Very easy. So I'm going to get the middle portion because it's straighter. Yeah. And let me see if we can see the light there. And there's a little bit of light there, so I'll just clip the end here, which is kind of gnarly. And we'll get a flat piece. I'll do a couple more. And the cane is dry. I haven't soaked it. I'll just nip the end here. And that seems to be straight. So we have a few pieces for demonstration. Now I'm going to show you the planing part. It comes with cane pusher and what I call a table stop. It's a tongue and groove. You can permanently, well, semi-permanently screw it in because there is room for it. Let's take this decorative piece out. What you do is you just place it in here. There's not much there. It slides in very easily, kind of snaps in. And then you set it against the table edge, like so. See? And it holds it. So then you just take your cane, put it in the planer, push it through. Now, sometimes when you prepare the cane dry, it'll be a little resistant, and if it's wet, it might go through. If it's soaked, it'll go through a little easier, maybe, but I haven't had much trouble with it. It just, as you can see, it just flies through without trouble. Now, the nice thing about the dimensions of this is that your measured piece of cane, when you're done, almost exactly 8 millimeters wide. You see? That one's a little under 8. This one is a little under 8. And that's good. That's a good width. Because you don't want it much over 8. And I've had some that have actually come out perfectly at 8 millimeters. And so this is a good width for the cane. And it's also a good thickness. So the gouge doesn't have to do a lot of work. You know, it keeps the blade on the machine from having to work too hard. So if you're going to buy one of my gougers, this preparation device here, combo guillotine planer, is really something that you should think seriously about. The combination of the two, the double radius and the guillotine planer, is $1,300. So you get a little bit of a discount. You get like 4 or 5% discount. course free shipping, and you get a free double case. And the double case is very nice. Let me show you what it looks like. I have one for a customer in Italy. There's always a reed I include that I make with the machines. You get some Allen wrenches to adjust the machine. You get your table stop, and you get the cane pusher, and then it's a double case. He's got the double radius gouge, the pregouger guillotine. It comes complete, already set up. This is gouging beautifully. It's a really terrific combo price. So $1,300 gets you an awful lot of cane preparation. Let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me at PierreRoyOboe@gmail.com, and I can answer your questions for you.